Good morning, Mandi maniacs. I am super excited. This just came in and let's unbox it. It is from Estée Lauder, so that's always exciting. Actually, my mom got this for me, so I'm excited. Oh look, it comes with a super cute summer bag. It is so cute. It's like cartoon or comics. It's all about vacay. See, vacay. That's what she's saying, and then she's saying, yes way. I like the rhyme. And then let's soak up the sun. This will be a really great, like, summery sun bag. Like, you could keep your sunglasses, your sunscreen, kind of everything you need with you in this bag. It's super cute for summer. And it's very, very, like, soft and silky, which is nice, too. It feels like it would be waterproof also, which is awesome. And then it came with, let's see what it came with, actually. Estée Lauder. Oh, okay. Very cool. It tells you about the, like, different things that are in this. And there is a double wear waterproof gel eye pencil. Very cool. And advanced night repair, synchronized multi-recovery complex. So that's what that is. I'm not really sure what that actually is. And then there is a Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. Very cool. And then, let's see what else we got. Lots of stuff. It's like a whole treasure trove of things. Nutritious Melting Soft Cream Mask. Pores Hydration Glow. Very cool. Oh, and we've got even more in here. Whoa. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing. It's like a cleansing, like basically a cleansing cream or like face wash. I love the cute like ombre brown into cream. That is so cute. And then there is a advanced night repair for your eyes. Very cool. So that is really neat. That is a lot of really cool stuff. And then this is the perfume that she was telling me about. She ordered it for me because she was actually out and about with her dad. And there was a lady, she said, that smelled amazing. So she had to ask her what it was. Let's see. Like, is it a twist or a pull? It's a... Oh my gosh. That does smell amazing. It smells so good. It's like a really summery, fresh, almost oceanside smell. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love it. And I love that it's got like some gusto to it. I hate perfume where you like can't smell it, because at the end of the day, what is the point of a perfume you can't smell? It smells so good. Really good. It was very, I would say very spring and summery. Like, it almost makes you think of like oceany, fresh. It's beautiful. It smells incredible. If you guys want to actually give this a smell when you're out, it's, again, Estée Lauder Knowing. Very cool. It's a very fresh, smell. Ooh, and then there's a collection. She told me she also ordered that, so I could smell the different like ones they have in their collection. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh wow, that smells really, really good too. That reminds me of like like fresh dryer sheets, or like fresh air, like not dryer sheets, but like if you hang your clothes outside, like, and you get that like really fresh like clothes off the line smell. That's what this one is. It smells so good. And it's oh, that's fitting. The name is White Linen. So I guess that makes sense. It literally is supposed to smell like fresh linen, so okay. Yeah, they nailed that. It really does smell like that. I'm gonna spray it in the same spot. Oh, I don't have to do this one. This one is Knowing. That's the big one. Okay. And this one is called Private Collection. Okay, that one has kind of a spiciness to it. In my opinion, that one could actually work like really, really well for fall. It has that really spicy scent to it. That's really actually nice. My favorite so far is Knowing though. And this one's just called Estee. Let's see, where did I not squirt something yet? Oh, hello. I think I got my shirt. There we go. Wave my arm. Just don't want to ever smell it when it's like wet, because then it, you know, you're not getting the full like smell effect. Okay. That one I would say is their most subtle one. I don't know really what that is. It's not bad, but it's very subtle, I would say. And then this one, last but not least, is Azure. Okay, so the name, I'm expecting like an ocean smell. I don't know, for lack of a better. Okay, yep. I'm out of spots in my arm, so, you know. Yeah, definitely. It's like a really summery ocean side. Definitely smells like an ocean. It does smell really nice, but I would have to say, in order of my favorites, like my favorite would be Knowing. My second favorite would be a tie between the White Linen and the Private Collection. That's my personal opinion. They all smell very, very incredible though, and it's such a cute little box that it comes in, like their sampler. It is very cute. I love it. Estee Lauder always does like their stuff to look so cute. So, yeah, Discovery, very cool. So, I love it. Thank you, Mom. That is super, super cool. It smells amazing, and it's a really exciting package. I just love it. I do recommend you guys, if you are looking for a new scent, I really, really do recommend Knowing. It is an amazing, amazing smell. Yeah. So if you're looking for a new scent, that one is amazing. I foresee myself wearing that a lot. It is so good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss more new videos, unboxings, hauls, kind of everything. We do a lot of fun things here on this channel, so make sure you don't miss it. Bye!